Hello, welcome back. It's been 11 days, I think, since I left. I went to Germany on a family-related trip. We had a tragic accident in our family. My dad passed away, sadly, about 2.5 weeks ago. So I had some time to finish up work here. I stayed about another week here, then flew over and just dealt with all the legal stuff. And after a day or two, we were able to get into the house where he lived, and I was just over there last summer. So it's just I don't know. It gives you a weird feeling when you come home to your childhood home, and it's just basically empty and left exactly how someone lived there and then never come back. And so it's been a sad 10 days. We had a funeral service last Friday. I think we were able to give my dad a good service, honored his life, reflected, shared memories and stories with his friends, family. And yeah, very, very sad trip. But given the circumstances, we did the best we could, to just dive into the old stories from back in the 80s and then further back. He was 75, so there's a lot of older people over there that remembered stories, and I was just sitting there sad, but also enjoyed, hearing about some of the stories about my dad that I've never heard. So other than that, going forward from here, we're gonna just have to continue working here in the shop, keep the business alive, and then do like a dual setup where I have to deal with stuff in Germany and deal stuff here with the business. That's going to keep us busy for quite some time. And yeah, our my shop tour video took off. We got some new subscribers came in, and so I really appreciate that. This is a very tiny woodworking channel. And yeah, my main focus is on woodworking here, but also just kind of documenting the journey. And so if I go back to Germany, I will also, document it and put it here on the channel. It might be of some interest for somebody. But in the meantime, this is a dog treat holder that I made before I left for Germany. We forgot to put the box on. And so this had to sit for 10 days. I really appreciate the customer giving me the extra time to not cancel the order, not giving a bad feedback or whatever, just giving me some time to put the box on. We'll get that sent out ASAP that way. And yeah, other than that, it's my off day, just kind of trying to adjust to the central time. Coming back from Europe is always hard, and so I'm going to take this day off and reattack tomorrow. We have about 55 signs to carve for this week. Shipping is scheduled for Friday. And yeah, I rattled that all up, or down. I don't know. I can't even talk. This jet lag is always making me feel drowsy, tired, and yeah. So let's get to it. We'll get this sign knocked out, and then I will see you guys in a couple of days in the next video. Got 1, 2, 3 on the machine. Only ran 3 machines today. Was a little bit busy programming and prepping, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 signs total today. I need about 55. So 40 more tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to do a full carving day to catch up. So we have 55 this week. They need to get out by Friday. So after international trip is always hard to ease in. On our Germany situation, we are owning land over there now. I inherited land from my dad, and we have a lease situation where I don't know what my dad was doing. He was getting confused or got taken advantage of, old age. He was not aware. He canceled the lease, and the leaseholder did not honor that cancellation letter. In Germany, the law says when you are leasing to a farmer, it's a 2-year cancel period that you have to wait. And so the farmer that we're leasing to is known in the area for being notoriously business-oriented, meaning taking total advantage of farmers, especially when they're a little bit old in age, don't know much about technology, emails, things like that. My dad wrote a handwritten letter to cancel the lease, and the guy was like, I don't care, it's not legit. So we already leased out this particular land to another person. So we have a double lease situation going on over there that I'm trying to take care of. Not a big deal. I already talked to the second guy. They're really cool about it. And so we just have to sort that out step by step. That's what I'm working on as well. And then tomorrow, 40 more carving. And yeah, that's about it. See you guys tomorrow.